Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my Go Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make salmon in the air fryer. Let's go! I have already filleted my salmon and now we're going to spray it with olive oil cooking spray. Put on some lemon juice. Going to use some Pampered Chef Smoky Applewood. I've already preheated the air fryer, but I turned it off so I can turn it on again so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I've got it on 350 degrees. And we're going to take it down to 3 minutes. Let's put our salmon into the air fryer. Gonna spray the other side. A little more lemon juice. Seasoning. A little more lemon juice. We're gonna let it cook for 3 minutes, then we'll flip the salmon and come back after it's cooked. The timer's going off, so let's turn our salmon over. Because I love lemon, I'm gonna do one more little squirt. Give it 2 more minutes and we'll come back and check our salmon. Time to check the salmon. Oh, that looks amazing. Let's do a taste test. So good, so easy, delicious and nutritious. In the air fryer, can't beat that, my friend. Now I'm going to eat my yummy, delicious and nutritious lunch. Thank you for watching the Ginger Optimist. God bless. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.